Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of quadratic equations. This is the 104th question in the series. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous 103 as well. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description for your reference. This question was asked in the CBSE exams of 2014. इस चैनल पर हम आपके लिए पुराने सालों में पूछे गए सारे क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करते हैं, तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Now let's start solving this one. The question says find the value of k for which the quadratic equation 3k plus 1 x squared plus 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 has equal roots. Also find the roots. Okay, it also wants us to find the roots. Now if you look at this question here, what we see is if there is a standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, if we have a standard quadratic equation, then the condition for equal roots is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Okay, then the condition for equal roots is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So we'll find the value of abc by comparing the coefficients in the two equations. We'll put those values in b square minus 4ac equal to 0 over here. Then we'll get a value of k, which we'll plug it back in the equation, and then we'll solve the equation to get the roots. Okay, so what this will become is, if I compare the two equations, which is this standard form and this given equation, what I get is a is equal to 3k plus 1, b is equal to 2 times of k plus 1, and c is equal to 1. Now if I put it in b square minus 4ac equal to 0, if I put it here, what I get is 4 times of k plus 1 ka whole square minus of 4 into a, which is 3k plus 1, into c, which is 1, is equal to 0. If I put it here, what I get is 4 times of k plus 1 whole square will become k square plus 2k plus 1 minus of 12k minus of 4 equal to 0, which is equal to 4k square plus 8k plus 4 minus of 12k minus of 4 is equal to 0. Okay, 4k square plus 8k plus 4 minus 12k minus 4 is equal to 0, and this becomes equal to 4k square minus of 4k is equal to 0. And if I solve it slightly further, actually let me solve it here. If I solve it further, it becomes 4k into k minus 1 equal to 0, and I get the value of k as equal to 0 or k equal to 1. Okay, so the value of k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 1, for which this equation will have equal roots. Now if the equation will have equal roots, and I know that b square minus 4ac equal to 0, and I put this value in the quadratic equation, the standard formula of a quadratic equation is alpha comma beta is equal to minus of b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac, the whole thing divided by 2 of a. Okay, this is the standard formula. Now I know that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 because the equation has real and equal roots. So the value of alpha comma beta will be minus of b upon 2a. Okay, minus of b here in our case, because this whole term is 0, it is minus of b by 2a, and the value of minus of b upon 2a here, if I look at a and b, which we have derived here. Okay, so the value we get is 2 times of k plus 1 upon 3k plus 1. Okay, now look at this. Alpha beta is equal to minus of b by 2a, which is equal to minus of 2 times of k plus 1 upon 3k plus 1. Okay, now this equation, okay, we know that the value of k is either 0 or 1. Okay, k is either 0 or 1. So in this equation we first put k equal to 0. When we put k equal to 0, we get alpha and beta as minus of 2 upon 1, and when I put k equal to 1, I get minus of 2 into 2 divided by 3 plus 1, that is 4. So here also I get minus 1, and here also I get minus 1. Okay, so the solution to the equation for having real roots is x equal to minus 1, and the value of k for which this set of equation will have equal roots is either 0 or 1, and this is the solution to the question. मैं काम की क्वेश्चन लाता रहूँगा. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. In case you want me to solve any other questions for you, do put down your queries at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.